Thank you guys. Hope you all enjoyed it.
Woo!
You all killed it. Now is the time to get into serious because there's going to be murder in this room. Welcome to BBK Crimes. Ooh. You might be wondering what does BBK Crimes stand for? Well, that's a mystery to be solved some other day. But for now, what you're going to see is a mystery murder case, which is going to be improvised, unscripted, and on the spot. But like any other improv format, to start off, we need an input from you.
Yes. Long weekends, quite a lot. Who all went on a trip recently, maybe in the month of September?
Raise of hands.
Raise of hands, raise of hands, raise of hands, raise of hands. Any trip, even a Banerghatta zoo. Or you never know a show and come back. Okay. Okay, and who can share this story with us? PG-rated story which can be shared. Okay. Ma'am.
I went to the elephant.
First name.
Yeah, my name is Asha.
Asha. Thanks, Asha. Thanks for sharing the story.
Yeah.
Can everybody hear Asha?
Yes.
Yes.
So I went to the elephant camp in Shimoga. It's called Sakre, where you can go play with elephants, bathe them,
Okay.
ride them,
Okay.
pet them, all of that.
Oh, nice. So you went alone?
I went with family.
You went with family. And how many members were there?
4.
4 of you. Okay. And the rough age group, I mean, in terms of all of them?
25 to 35.
Okay. So cousins, brothers.
Cousins, brothers,
Okay. And all of you get along well?
Yes.
That's difficult.
That's
That's good, yeah. That happened. So you went to Shimoga. How did you go to Shimoga?
By a car.
So you were driving?
No, my brother was driving.
Your brother was driving. So only one driver. How long is the ride to Shimoga?
5 hours. 4 hours if there's like no traffic and you take.
So get out of Bangalore is 3 hours and then from there. Anything interesting happened over there? On the way, at the camp, any interesting character you met?
Oh, I got left by an elephant.
Oh.
Do you remember the name of the elephant?
I think it was Arjuna.
That's what happens. Baba's please note. Only blessings come, names don't come. Okay, and so, yeah. What kind of food did you eat there?
I actually, since I was staying at a cousin's house, I was just eating home cooked food.
Ah, okay. So you were staying at somebody's house. You were not.
Yeah.
Great. Anything else?
What all kind of activities were there? Like there's also you can bathe there. You can what all were there?
You can ride them, you can bathe them, and like you can go pet them and like, interact with them.
How many elephants were there?
There are actually 6, and then one is a baby elephant.
So could you go close to the baby elephant?
Since the baby elephant was not trained, the Maharajas don't let you go near the baby elephant, but you can go near the.
So how many Mahawats were there?
Every elephant has one.
And so did you see the feeding or anything of the elephants?
Yes, I did.
What was the name of the zoo you said?
Sakre Bailu.
Sakre Bailu.
Sakre Bailu. Sugar cane.
Bailu.
Sakre Bailu.
Translates to sugar cane.
Sugar cane seeds.
Did you get any souvenir from there?
Yes, I got an elephant each.
Oh, can we ask more questions if you want? We can interrupt your show. I think.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, Asha, for sharing your story. Now, with this story as a starting point, we will see the mystery unravel. And remember, by the end of the show, there will be a suspect who is finally convicted, and anybody and everybody is a suspect. So keep your eyes and ears open at all times. Let's begin BBK Crimes.
Chintamani,
हाँ सर।
यार वो बच्चों को एलिफेंट के साथ खेलने दो ना, बेबी एलिफेंट है, खेलने को बोल रहे हैं। दिमाग खराब करके रखा है ये छोटी सी लड़की ने।
Sir, every day these kids know they always want to come and play with the baby elephant. I have trained each and every elephant here with so much love, with so much passion, but they ignore that.
Chintamani, so if you don't allow them to play, how will our business go?
When can we watch the elephants up here? I come
Bangalore.
You are coming from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
This is a sugar cane fields. Yeah, sugar cane fields.
Yes, ma'am. This is sugar cane field. Please. Oh, you have come with your family.
Yeah, they're all my cousins. I like them.
Namaskar, Nal.
अरे ये हिंदी ठीक बोल लेते हैं।
Hello. I'm trying to use sophisticated.
Stand.
I'm Asha.
Aisha. Madam, I am Chintamani. I am
Hi.
caretaker and trainer of all these majestic, beautiful.
Okay, 1 second. Thank you.
And please rate 5-star sugar cane
Yeah,
field.
we want to ride elephant, beach elephant, eat with elephant.
Yes. I
Baby.
A baby elephant. Baby elephant. So cute.
no baby elephant. No baby elephant. I have trained each and every elephant here for the past 15 years.
What should we are paying you in rupees?
How dare you not choose the baby elephant? And an elephant whisperer in Mojo Maharaj issue as baby elephant?
यार मेरे का इसका एक्सेंट कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
मुझे भी नहीं आ रहा।
बेबी एलिफेंट दिखाता है कि नहीं?
सर मैंने बोला था आपको।
तुम लोगों का ना कोई कल्चर नहीं है रे। मैं जाती।
मैडम आपको दिखाते हैं बेबी।
सिर्फ majestic elephant मैडम।
मैडम
majestic elephant। Babli ji, we finally made it to the sugarcane fields Airbnb resorts.
Yes. You told me you will take me to a 5-star resort and this Airbnb. Look at the hole over there, and here also I have to cook. And what bhindi?
Babli ji, see, Google review 5-star only rating they have given, no?
For my cooking.
That is why I love only your cooking.
You told me when we came on the route. We left Pappu with your mother. And you said 5-star, you will show me elephants, but where? Where will we conjure?
See, Babli, this is the travel experience. These 5-star swanky hotels is very old school.
I am old school only. I'm old school, see, I'm still very good.
Oh, now you conveniently admit that you're old.
Ding dong.
See, this hut also has bell. So modern.
There is somebody saying ting tong, it is not there.
Hello, is Banji ji there? Banji ji, I need to talk urgently. Tell him this is Asha.
Ash, of course, Ash, please come in.
Who is that?
She will come and introduce. I will introduce you, don't worry.
Banji ji,
Skirt again, niche.
How have you been, Ash?
Namaste. Banji ji, you have to help us. They are not allowing us to go. Oh my
Who
God.
is not allowing you to go?
There has been murder.
What?
person, Chintamani, was killed.
Oh my God.
Reggie, we went there yesterday.
Yes.
Chintamani was eating food. What was meant for elephant?
He was such an emotional man.
Yes.
He loved his elephant. He loved his elephant.
I don't know, but they are not allowing us to go back to Bangalore.
Where?
Bangalore.
Where?
Bangalore.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Don't worry, Ash.
They are keeping us as a suspect and stay in Shimuga.
Who are us? Who are us?
Us, me, my family, my brother. Oh my God, we need to go back. I have a flight to Kolkata. Kolkata.
Okay.
But not in India.
Did you understand which place? Okay. Ash, don't worry, Ash. We are here for you. You came to the right person. People. This is our card.
Yeah, I know, but
BDSM.
Yes.
wrong card, I think. No.
Hey. Bunty Bubbly Detective Services.
Mysore.
Oh, okay.
We are world famous in Mysore.
Yeah.
Sure, don't worry. We will take this case.
Arey yaar.
No, please take the case and find the actual killer.
I should just say.
I want to go.
Yeah, no.
Yes. This is a very serious matter.
Right, I understand.
So we will start on this case right away. Once you pay the advance of 15 lakhs.
15 lakh.
Yes. We also accept Bitcoin. You're from Bangalore? Yeah.
Bangalore. Bangalore.
No Bitcoin.
Okay, only cash.
15, is it negotiable?
Yes, you can pay more.
I'll pay 15 lakh as advance. I'll write you a check.
No checks. We don't believe in check. Google Pay.
Hey, someone's at the door. Don't worry. This case is ours now. We will definitely set you free. I will set you free, Ash.
Yes.
We
will-
I'm double graduate.
We will set you free.
Gee, please do that. I must take ads. Oh my God.
सर संभाल के
जी
अभी तक नहीं बोल देते हो अच्छा ठीक है ना
आता
आंटी जी
Did you realize what just happened?
yes my next trip to our wow 5-star hotel business class
No. We have got our next big case. BDSM has this biggest case in hand. We have to solve this.
case so we have taken how are we going to solve this in the Shimoga first time we are coming
Babli ji,
Anji
for a detective, you don't really have a keen eye. Yesterday, remember when we were going on that safari on the way, I stopped at this police check naka.
yes
You know who was there?
who
Inspector. Inspector Chandan.
डोंबिवली वाले इंस्पेक्टर चंदन
Yes.
वो जुमरा दलिया वाले
हाँ वही.
वो जो मलेशिया में घूमे थे लास्ट केस में
हाँ वही बात. We both know only one Inspector Chandan. He will have all the information about this case. We shall get it from him.
yes I will take all the special files on my phone
Yes. Let's go. Let's. really good upgrade. Manjula, can you get me some tea? Tea.
ये तो भाई। अरे चंदन जी,
चंदन जी।
चंदन जी,
That sounds very familiar. Yes, come in.
अरे चंदन जी नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप? बबली जी, अपना ही खाना है, बैठो बैठो।
One tea and bubbly.
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते चंदन जी, कैसे हैं आप? बहुत अच्छा हुआ।
What are you doing here?
बबली जी को ना बहुत दिनों से बोल रहे थे, पप्पू बहुत तंग कर रहा है थोड़ा छुट्टी चाहिए। So we came here on a छुट्टी।
Oh, nice, nice. Please roam around. The elephant sanctuary is beautiful. Walk to the sugarcane fields. लेकिन मेरे पास मत आना.
अरे वो देख लिया हमने, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा था। वो छोटे हाथी के साथ नहीं खेलने देते वहाँ।
हाँ वो कुछ what we heard कि वो चिंतामणि का मर्डर हो गया।
हाँ, yes, unfortunately.
हाँ, और आपने हमारे क्लाइंट को बोला है कि शिमोगा से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए।
तुम्हारा client?
हाँ वो
Hello, this is Shimoga police case, not Bunty Bubbly.
आपको याद है ना वो डोंबिवली केस में हमने कितनी मदद की थी आपकी?
जब रामप्रसाद की भैंस गुम हो गई थी हमने
बबली जी ने तो स्पेशली
मुझे अच्छे से याद है. उसकी बैल घूम गई थी और तुम लोग गाय उठा लाए.
गाय देखो एवरीबॉडी वांट्स अ मेल चाइल्ड
मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी।
मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी बबली जी भी हमेशा खुद की थीसिस उसी में है।
बस हमारे घर में मेरी चलती है।
This is one more reason I don't want to work with you. Okay, this is my case. Y'all can leave.
मैंने आपको बोला था ना नहीं मानेंगे।
हाँ, बोला तो था। खा लो,
मैं इसलिए मेरे को पता ही है।
खा लो।
चंदन जी आप
हाँ।
मलेशिया भी गए थे ना?
हाँ, कितने सुंदर, कितने
Malaysia?
हाँ, कितने सुंदर हैं। वाह 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 वाह। लेकिन वो तो भाभी जी तो लग नहीं रही है वो छोटे छोटे कपड़े पहन के। और आपके हाथ तो माशाल्लाह कहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
How did you get this photo?
Detectives?
Detectives.
Not very smart detectives, huh? Delete it. What photos are you talking about?
हमारी बच्ची जी तो और भी स्मार्ट है।
हमने तो बादल में रखा है।
क्लाउड ये आईफोन है आईफोन।
Okay, Bunty. मैं इशारा समझ गया. I'll hand over all the case files to you. लेकिन ये बादल किसी पे बरसना नहीं चाहिए.
मिसेस चंदन में तो बिल्कुल नहीं।
बिल्कुल बस केस फाइल्स।
These are the case files.
जी
ये तो कन्नड़ा में लिखा है ये तो।
नहीं
We don't know कन्नड़ा।
इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेटेड फाइल लेना।
वो अभी अंडर प्रोसेस है. But you'll have to manage with this.
Why don't you just give us a gist? You know the story.
नहीं तो आईफोन
हाँ, you record it.
क्लाउड इज गुड।
Yeah.
Okay. नाटकीय रूपांतर for you. Okay, I'll give you a demo of what happened.
Yes.
Chintamani, the poor chap, was found dead at his lunch table. He had a banana leaf, but all the food was eaten. He was dead. But along with that, near the table was lying a small elephant keychain. And also, on the table, there was a message from the killer for him. That message was, octopus rolls in the ground. very cryptic message.
What was on the leaf, banana leaf?
Oh, I did not realize that the cuisine of that day. But that is where you step in to find out the truth.
Yes.
And remember that at the lunch table, octopus rolls in the ground and an elephant keychain. These are the clues that we found. That's it. It is over to you now, Bunty Bubbly. I want you to solve the case. और जब तक केस solve ना हो, मेरे पास आना. Thank you. Thank you. जब तक केस solve ना हो, मेरे पास आना.
बिल्कुल नहीं आएंगे, बिल्कुल नहीं आएंगे। बीच बीच में जब पुलिस की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो बस आपका नाम और नंबर ड्रॉप करेंगे, नेम ड्रॉप करेंगे।
चलो हम चलते हैं।
हाँ,
ये
चलते
पूरा
हैं।
भी-
हाँ, जी।
You want to take the files?
हाँ हाँ, बहुत भारी हो।
बहुत भारी है।
मंजुनाथ
Hey, what is my constable, Manjunath? Carry these files for them and make sure they don't come back.
मजा आ गया।
मलेशिया ट्रिप भी
If
करेंगे।
I'm serious,
बत्ती बबली।
अरे मैडम सर, यहाँ फ्रेश
पुष्पा पत्ते वाली।
हाँ मीट।
आओ बबली जी।
Namaste.
नमस्कार बसा ना बसा। सिट
आओ।
But why यहाँ क्यों है?
बबली ये पुष्पा पत्ते वाली है। The only supplier of banana leaves in the whole shipping.
Whoa, yes, fish banana leaves. Fish banana leaves. Confusing. I'm going for fish market, but it is not banana.
Pushpaji, do you know Chintamani?
Chintamani.
Sugar.
What's not here? Kawat Mukhad. Always sitting and eating. This is that guy, no? From Elephant Wala. Great.
But-
Ah, he was a regular customer. Every day 15 banana leaves only for him. My favorite customer.
Oh, favorite. I got confused by the way you. Okay.
Favorite
Favorite
customer.
Hmm.
But what he used to do every day, he used to come to my shop and he used to tell me, मेरे पास माँ है। ऐसे था।
Lucky guy.
But his mother died when he was 2 years old. ठीक है।
Oh, psycho.
And you seem to know a lot of history about him.
अरे रोज आता था, रोज बैठ के मेरे को बात करता था। He used to tell me about how he loved that baby elephant. उतना प्यार, वो एक लड़की थी, त्रिपुरा सुंदरी। त्रिपुरा सुंदरी ना उसके ऊपर जान देती थी। 15 साल से उसका चल रहा था, लेकिन चिंतामणि नहीं। वो एलिफेंट का बच्चा के साथ क्या करेगा बोलो?
और इसीलिए तुमने उसको मार दिया।
अरे मैं हिंदी का शाला मारो तेरा।
हिंदी।
इतना साल हो गया, हिंदी इज नॉट अ नेशनल लैंग्वेज, ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं। So what I was saying is, what was I saying? Yeah. Why would I kill him? That Tripura Sundari must have killed him. I am telling you, or her brother. One of them, because you know what? 15 years he has been dating her and saying, I will marry you tomorrow, I will marry you tomorrow. Her brother has a key chain shop also.
Oh. You know what? This
The brother's name was Snehal.
Snehal and Tripura.
Yeah.
Tripura Kumari?
Sundari.
Tripura Sundari.
Babli ji, we need to talk to them.
Yes, but before that, this story about Snehal and Tripura Sundari, you know what reminds me of?
Brother and sister.
Don't be so obvious, but it's murder mystery है ना? Twist चाहिए ना? So, why am I like this? I always crave for twists and turns.
तो गाना गाता.
We will go to Tripura Sundari, okay? एक सेकंड में बाइक चालू रख छोड़ के
बहन आप क्यों रो रहे हो?
मुझे कन्नड़ आती है.
अच्छा बोलो. मैं हाथ वापस लगाऊंगा.
त्रिपुरा का कन्नड़ गोतिला. कम्युनिकेट हो गया उसको.
I know English also. Continue.
Stealing करना, stealing करना. Why are you crying?
My lover of my 15-year life.
You understand her language, I don't. English बोलती है तो
मैं-
समझ नहीं आता.
मैं-
But don't touch, don't touch.
त्रिपुरा जी. Why did you kill Chintamani?
ऐसे तो don't. First give her your card. 1 second. We have an
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I'm sorry. BDSM.
I'm recovering right now.
Lovely detective services.
Malleshwar.
Maleshwar. Detectives.
Detectives.
Oh, please find the killer of my lover.
We were told that you are the killer.
Don't find me. No.
But if you are the killer, we have to find you.
Tripura ji, we know.
I have not killed Chintamani.
For the past 15 years, he never loved you back. He always loved that baby elephant.
Oh my God.
Which I can't deny is very cute. But that is no reason to kill him.
No. I didn't kill him. The baby elephant was our unofficial child.
You are married, but still you adopted a child. Boss, humans are not allowed to adopt without
Hey,
marriage.
madam, we were unofficially married also. It's all about commitment.
This is why the Supreme Court always tells, wake me up when September ends. I don't want to know about all this.
We are already at October 7th, Babli ji.
Madam, wake up. No, but I can't ever think of even killing Chintamani. He loved me so much. He also gave me the keys to his office and safari so that I can go and pet the elephants even at midnight.
He told us no girl should touch that baby.
And he also promised that he will make me promoted to his job and then he will become an officer and we will live happily ever after.
Tripura ji, you seem to have quite a lot of access in his office space, right?
Yeah, we were partners, I told you. Chintamani and I, we were like the best couple in the world. We always believed, embrace the beautiful mess you are.
Yes. Were you also cooking in a mess that day? Because after he ate,
Of course, I cook him daily. He loves octopus a lot.
What?
I cook him so much.
and he died after eating it.
Oh.
Bunty ji, she is a killer.
No. He didn't die because of octopus. Octopus died because of him.
Do you suspect anybody?
Yes.
But other than the octopus.
Obviously, my brother.
What?
What?
Your-
Naked?
we are not at good terms. He hated that I was dating him for 15 years.
He hated that.
He hated Chintamani was dating me for 15 years and not getting married.
Pronouns, proper pronouns.
It gets confusing.
Yes.
I really hate when you lie.
I also.
They thought that we are lying about our marriage and unofficial elephant child. That's why he must have killed him. I hate my brother.
Bubbly ji, we have to interrogate this Snehal.
Yes.
Get him arrested.
But I want to leave you with these last words. You are running this mess. Look at that customers getting mad at water for not removing plates. So just go, not water, waiter. Just go.
This place is nothing without you. That's why I have access.
Please.
Let's go get that Snehal.
Kitchen.
Ah, nice keychain. Keychain factory. Yes.
And
Are you
factory.
listening?
Yes. Hello sir, hello madam. What keychain you want? Elephant, baby elephant, big elephant, white elephant.
सारे दे दो कितने
नहीं,
शॉपिंग भी कर लेते हैं
shopping mall. Wait. This is our card.
बंटी बबली
Detective Services.
BDS.
Murdabat.
मुरादाबाद
Oh, Murdabat.
Looking at BDS.
चले गए लेकिन नाम छोड़.
वेरी गुड
Looking at BDSM, I thought you wanted different type of rings.
Those rings and anklets.
एक ही कौन सी
But you want keychain? Why you are here?
No. Second, we have heard some details in the that you hated
चिंतामणि
Chintamani.
I remember his name from the first time I have a very sharp memory I
For
think.
guys' names.
Yes, this too. I hate that man Chintamani. I hated him.
So you killed him.
No. I did not kill anyone. I did not kill him. I am a simple keychain maker. I only make baby elephant keychain, white elephant keychain, black elephant keychain, African
ये वाला
elephant
कितने का
keychain.
दिया
I did not kill him.
But you know what? The person who said that your last message before Chintamani died to her was, "Good luck, Sushant. Can't wait to laugh at you again."
Can you explain that?
Please explain that. Why did you call Chintamani Sushant? And why are you laughing at Chintamani?
One of Chintamani's favorite elephant's name is Sushant. He was very close to me. That is why I will kill Chintamani. I hated him.
But why did you laugh at an elephant?
I am double graduate. I understand the satire.
सीधा हाउसफुल देखने वाले लोग हैं यार. We don't understand satire.
You are not local to this place. You don't know the charm of elephants. You know the best thing about elephants is nothing. There is not one thing that you can say best. Everything.
So where were you when the Chintamani guy was killed?
I was in my I was selling keychains. The white elephant keychain, big elephant keychain.
Babri ji, this is the exact replica. Look at Yes.
Same to same,
Same to
जी.
same, same to same.
No, this is one of a kind piece. I make only one piece.
Hey, we have the photo.
We have the photo. It was found.
भैया आप सबको लूट रहे हैं आप ऐसे
मैं ऐसा नहीं करता. See our store policy. If you see, it is very clear. The right person, the wrong time, the right script, the wrong line, the right poem, the wrong line, and a piece of use that was never mine. I charge only what I deserve. I don't take anything extra from you, sir.
ये जी मुझे ये बहुत honest लग रहा है.
वो policy, customer is right, customer is king. You are ऐसे policies होते हैं. वो क्या है? Right being my king.
ठीक है.
Okay.
हम पप्पू के लिए कीडिंग ले लें.
Yes.
So ये वाला कितने का दिया?
Sir, no, this is baby elephant. I can't give
No,
you.
I will.
Big elephant.
ये कोई बेबी एलिफेंट क्यों नहीं दे रहा हमें?
नहीं पता नहीं. We will figure it out. ठीक है. We will see you later. ऐसे मत हो.
Payment.
हाँ. ओके.
Bunty ji, this case is so complex. I can't understand clearly.
जी मैंने ये केस सॉल्व कर लिया है.
Really?
जी.
Who?
I know who the killer is.
Who is it? Who is it?
Wait. To reveal the killer, I have called Mr. Chandan with all the suspects.
Oh.
वो
Tak.
आइए मिस्टर चंदन.
नमस्ते.
मुझे पता था आप आएंगे.
तुमने तो बुलाया. तुमने भेजा था. Be water, my friend. पहले बोले थे. Be water, my friend.
I wanted कि तुम पानी की तरह बह के हमारे घर आ जाओ ताकि हम पर्दाफाश कर सकें खूनी का. मिस्टर चंदन, आप सस्पेक्ट्स को लाए हैं.
हाँ जी.
ए मंजुनाथ, सस्पेक्ट को भेजो.
मंजुनाथ, सस्पेक्ट को बोलो. अरे भाई. अरे.
Suspect number one.
बंटी जी.
पुष्पा पत्ते वाली, इसने मर्डर किया है.
मर्डर मी. अरे. वाह. No.
She is a suspect and a very strong one. Your favorite customer, when he stops paying you money and starts telling stories instead, that was enough motive for you, right, Pushpa?
No. He would bring other customers. He would send all the people who came to see elephants to my patte wala shop, fish patte wala shop.
ये कैसे मार सकती है उनको?
I
आप
know.
श्योर?
I have 15
Yes,
children.
I am sure that she is a suspect.
ओके.
Suspect.
पुष्पा जी, sit down. हाँ. I'll help.
Chandan ji, it's time to call the suspects number 2.
ठीक है.
Call.
मंजुनाथ, सस्पेक्ट नंबर 2 को भेजो.
अरे गाड़ी मत करो यार, कौन चालू रखा है?
नमस्ते भाई जी.
अजय, थोड़ा चल. लड़की देखा तो.
आपने ढूंढ लिया मेरे लवर के खूनी को.
हाँ, ये बंटी सब बोलेंगे ना.
This Tripura lady, right?
Yeah, I just remember I can speak English only.
बंटी English
बिहेवियर है इसका।
No, 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 I don't kill, I don't kill.
I will say. अरे ये तुम बंटी बबली क्या आपस में चल रहा है? ये खूनी है क्या नहीं बताओ?
ये त्रिपुरा, she is the suspect number 2.
मेरा suspect?
Yes. चंदन जी, she had the biggest motive. 15 years का एक तरफा प्यार leads to people going crazy.
The baby elephant is तीन तिगाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा.
So she has killed. अरे मंजुनाथ,
No, 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 no. She
मेरा नेटफ्लिक्स शो का टाइम हो रहा है यार.
she is suspect number 2. बुलाइए suspect number 3 को.
मंजुनाथ, सस्पेक्ट नंबर 3.
Key maker, keychain maker.
I got your gift keychain for you.
सॉरी, मुझे पता है कि सस्पेक्ट को देख के हंसना
इसी ने मारा है, इसी ने मारा है.
आपको देख के ना मुझे एक जोक याद आ गया. मुझे भी हंसी आ रही थी. You can't handle the truth. Nobody can handle the truth.
So funny.
मुझे आ गया.
So funny. I also understand.
Right. इंसाफ मजाक बन के रहेगा इस जमाने में.
वाह वाह वाह. चंदन का इलाका है. इंसाफ यहाँ can be blind but is not deaf or dumb.
You are right, Chandan ji. इसलिए स्नेहिल है suspect number 3. बैठो यहाँ.
मैंने बोला I did not kill him. I did not kill him.
You said that. Why did you kill him?
No, sister.
कितना टाइम तुम लोग मेरे दुकान में आए थे? तुमने मारा तो बोल दो ना चंदन को.
Wait.
अरे बंटी, किसने खून किया बोलो?
Chandan ji, the murderer is.
Hold! It's time for us to decide who killed. Anyone you saw throughout the last 30-40 minutes could be the murderer. So scream out the names you want and we'll set as a group.
आशा.
चंदन
Baby elephant. Okay, we have to stop two Snehal and Tripasundari. Snehal? Tripasundari? I guess Tripasundari murdered.
Murderer is Tripura Sundari.
कुछ भी होता तो you should have come, no? राखी का बंधन तो I would have managed. I would have saved you. Why did you kill him? I made me accused. मैं सांगी क्या होता ना? I don't kill. I only serve people.
त्रिपुरा, क्यों मारा तुमने अपने लवर चिंतामणि को?
मैं बोलता हूँ कि why she killed.
बोलो चंदन जी. चंदन जी क्या?
She was tired of having 15 years of one-sided love. She would have continued. But then came this girl from Bangalore. Asha.
No, you're wrong. She came from Empro.
And she came with her cousins and brothers and sisters. And she was living a full life without any boyfriend or baby elephant. Whereas she was tied to Chintamani, who always told her that are full of
I know what she told.
what did you
I could confess if you want.
Let me stay.
Yeah, please.
Oh, those words. How I missed to hear
Martin
them.
Garrix making classic music.
What?
Martin Garrix making
That That is why she was waiting for those 3 magical words, and these were the words.
Yes.
Exactly. He would say such random stuff. as if he's randomly reading out of chits. That's no emotion.
A murder is a murder. You will be taken to the justice. Thank you, Bunty ji. Thank you, Babli ji.
आते रहना चंदन जी.
Thank you, Bunty ji again. चलो, सारे लेके जा तुमको. मंजूरा. My sister.
Don't worry, Snehal. Things will be better. You go and make bail.
I have this new teacher.
I'll also take your leave.
हाँ, go पुष्पा.
I will be the lead.
Why I'm told I did not kill Chayla. बबली जी.
बंटी जी, आपने तो बहुत ही अच्छा केस सॉल्व कर दिया जी.
यस. अब आशा से बाकी का भी पेमेंट ले लेंगे
जी, जी,
और
जी.
हम अच्छा वाला ट्रिप प्लान करेंगे.
जी, अब हम जाएंगे कोआगा.
हाँ?
बंटी जी फोन आ रहा है आपका?
अरे मेरी मम्मी का फोन.
मम्मी जी का.
पप्पू से बात कर लेंगे.
मम्मी.
हाँ मम्मी.
मम्मी जी नमस्ते.
अरे नमस्ते सब छोड़ो. तुम्हारा पप्पू ने तो यहाँ मेरा कितना स्कूल से एक्सपेल हो गया है. जल्दी आओ. क्यों ये नहीं? क्या कोई बेबी एलिफेंट को देखना है और कोई बच्ची को देख के बोला कि मैं बेबी एलिफेंट लेके जाता हूँ.
हे भगवान, ये
आप लोग आ रहे मम्मी. उसको कितनी बार पप्पू को बोला फैट शेमिंग इज रॉन्ग.
एंड सी.
Hope you all enjoyed this show and thank you for solving this convoluted murder mystery.
Apologies to Snehal.
And that's the end of the show.